Hello friends, welcome back to Mirror of Psychology. Please subscribe the channel for more psychology related videos. In today's video, we are going to learn about multilingualism. Multilingualism means knowing and using more than one language. It can be speech, in writing, or even while reading. Some people call it bilingualism, polylingualism, or even diglossia. All of these mean the same thing, which is to be able to switch between languages depending on the situation. We often call multilingual people as polyglots. Poly means many and glot means language. And people who speak just one language, they are called monoglts. Multilingualism can be personal, like when an individual knows multiple languages. It can also be social, where a whole community or country regularly uses more than one language. Take India for example. People here speak nearly 200 different languages. It's very common for an Indian to speak 3 or 4 languages fluently. Now let's know different types of multilingualism. Some people learn new languages in school. This is called elite multilingualism. Others learn them naturally from the people around them. This is called neighbourhood multilingualism. Sometimes people learn a second language without losing their first one. This is called additive bilingualism. For example, a child in India might speak Hindi at home and learn English at school. They continue to use both languages every day, one for the family and the other for the academics. But in some cases, the second language slowly replaces the first one. This is called subtractive bilingualism. For instance, imagine a family that moves from India to USA and the child begins school in English. The child slowly stops speaking its native language because it's no longer used in daily life. If a child hears 2 languages from birth, it's called simultaneous bilingualism. However, if they first learn one language and then the another, that is called sequential bilingualism. In both cases, children can become fluent depending on how much they use each language. Now let's know the benefits of being a multilingual. Multilingual people often have flexible thinking. They can switch between different languages easily and may develop better problem-solving skills. Multilingual people are also considered as smart. However, people think that learning different languages at early stage can delay speech, which is a myth. In fact, it helps the brain grow in amazing ways. In some places like India or Belgium, people grow up learning 3 or 4 different languages as a normal part of their life. In other countries like the United States, speaking more than one language is seen as something special. However, multilingualism is not rare. In fact, speaking only one language is the exception in today's world. Whether we learn languages through school or from our surroundings, each one adds to how we think, feel, and connect with others. By the end of 20th century, more than 60% of the world's population was multilingual. So if you know more than one language, be proud. You are part of the multilingual world, and that is something to celebrate. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.